Abigail down the slide. Woohoo!
Oh, that's that. I'm gonna get down.
You gonna do it again? Here we are, pumpkin patch. We're gonna get some hayride. You ready? Abigail. Abigail, you ready?
Yeah.
She's in kindergarten, yeah? Hi.
Look at her boots.
I know, they're
Look at all the
cool.
bees. You guys are pretty good at that. Have you done that before, Emily?
Oh, yes, I have. Stop kicking it, Daddy. Oh, I'm falling. You won. Oh, over here. Oh, what's in that with them?
Oh, I like your smiley face ones. They're so pretty. Good job. Yeah, Abigail, you're getting good at that. Woohoo! Yeah,
I can't really do it that way.
you're doing great.
Sierra, I'm going down with you. No, you have to climb those stairs. Go.
When you're doing it, okay?
Go! Climb those stairs. Yeah, I will. You can go up the ramp now. Go up the ramp. Come on, Abby. Come on, Abby. Why? There's a big slide right there. It's fun. Go. I want to see. Ready? We're going to fly. Time, everywhere.
Those are all clocks
Yeah.
to tell time.
Yeah, to tell. And one of them a message clocks because if they're message clocks, then they know where to go, or they have a phone, but they don't have any stuff that they can. So, what does those top red buttons do?
That tells you how much water level is in the tanks in the truck.
And there is how many waters?
It says it's empty right now.
Oh, so that's why it's dripping.
Yep.
Well, they could use that water because it's dripping. We're the firemen.
I think they gave it to these people.
And how did this truck get here?
They drove it. Maybe
And they gave all their gears and clothes to them over there so we can dress in them.
Oh, really?
So let's go dress.
All right, here we go in the corn maze. That's all right. Oh my goodness!
Your dad's not even in yet. Okay, let's go this way. Yeah, this way. Go.
And look, they already found a stamp. That was quick, girls and boys.
Did it. Hold on. Everybody wait for me. Yeah, everyone has to have a stamp. Man, mine is down. I know, mine too. Here, put it here. Yeah, put it in. And press this button. Come on! Go! Whoa!
Yeah, look at them all.
This way! This way!
All right. Well, I guess the worst part about being here at night was you had to stay close to them because, so girls, yeah, how many do you have now?
6.
All 6, huh?
Let's go!
All right, we got to find our way out now, right? Woo! All right. Now they're getting away from us. Yeah.
How do we get out?
Yeah, he got out.
I just walked through this.
No,
Okay.
go this way. Go the right way.
Are we supposed to go? Yes, we're supposed to go the way we came out. Are we
Yeah.
supposed to go the way we came in?
I'm following the butterfly. Follow the butterfly out.
And we're done. Go. Go get our prizes. Let's go get our prizes.
Nice job, girls and boys. Victory. Is that what we're gonna do? We're going on a big giant tractor?
Going again.
Hey, ride? All right, let's go. You wanna go? Wanna go on the tractor?
They go right. Oh, yeah.
Can you please sit down, everybody? Everybody?
And now we have our own
Hey, it's picture time. Nice job, everybody. Good thing I produced that. You gotta find out these items.
Oh yeah, guys, there's a list of items you have to find.
Abigail, you ready?
Can I have a little bit? I'm gonna try
Abigail, is this your first hayride? Is this your first hayride? No? You've been on many? Where? Different places? Just here?
Never knew I was confused or start the music and be on my way.
I don't want it.
I want it.
Welcome to
I'll take it.
Sparkling Farms Halloween.
All right, here we go. You ready?
Here, you need one. Here, see. Take a better view. What is that? Oh, Daddy, your camera!
It's okay. Is he part of the ride?
Watch out, Look, there's a ghost on a pumpkin. There's a spider. There's a spider. Oh, there's a spider. Right there.
You see the spider, Abigail? Spider?
Spider. There's a
What, Emily?
Ghostbusters.
What's Ghostbusters?
Yeah, that's what I said.
What is Ghostbusters?
A song.
Well, what's the song for?
Halloween.
It's a movie. For a movie.
Ghostbusters. Where's the police? Oh, a ghost vampire. Where's the vampire? Oh, there's the vampire. Vampire. Oh, there's the vampire. So that means we're on a fire web. Now we just follow
521 out there, Abigail? 521? The road? Where's the scarecrow, Abigail? Oh, it's up in the tree right there, huh? You found it?
What is a crow?
Huh?
What is a crow?
We gotta find the crow. Where's the witch's hat, Abby?
Over there. Right there. Oh.
You saw it?
Now we're looking for the zombie.
Michael Jackson?
Michael Jackson. Is that the song?
This is called Thriller. 'Cause it's a thriller! Good job, honey. Ghostesses? You know this song, Abigail? All right, all done. Is this where the firemen are?
Yeah.
Hey, firemen, how you guys doing? You guys ready to fight the fires? You look awesome.
Mommy, you know those stuff that goes right here. You can do right
I
here.
know. Hey, you did great, guys.
Let's go, Pete.
Right, in 5 minutes we're leaving, okay? I found Abigail.
Oh my goodness, are you guys going down there? Bye. Hi, girls.
Hello.
Give me a tooth or a teeth.
I can't see you now. Where'd you go? Go. Well, you're missing. Oh, there you are. Oh. When we go home, we're gonna make some steak sandwiches. It's gonna be yummy.
No, we're eating with Sarah. Mommy and Sarah.
Oh yeah? I don't know about that.
About to go lose yourself in the pumpkin patch, right, Sierra?
You guys don't even know where the pumpkin patch is.
There.
Oh yeah.
Oh
yeah.
Somebody stole the pumpkin
Oh, yeah.
we picked.
Really?
Yeah. We picked 3 big, good pumpkins, and they were like the cleanest of all of them. And
Really?
mine was the tallest and the fattest, and they stole them all!
So there's some pumpkin thieves, huh?
Yeah. Oh,
You don't think your pumpkins just sprouted legs and walked away?
really?
Yeah. Could have happened. Could have happened. Right, Emily? Could have happened.
No.
Pumpkins can't grow legs.
Let's go on the tractor. Let's go on the tractor after that.
You wanna go on the tractor next, chickies?
I want to go on the tractor after that.
It's a cool tractor. Nice and red. What do you think about this tractor, Emily? Think you could drive it? Yeah? I don't know. You know where the lights are, Emily? Where are the pedals? Relax. What do you think, that's the brake or the clutch? You know where the throttle is? You know where the throttle is? No, that's a belt. That's a pulley for a belt.
What's that?
This is a pulley for a belt.
Come on, my turn, Sarah.
It probably goes down to drive something. This is all the transmission, the engine.
You're leaning on the tire.
That's the steering wheel.
Back there, careful, son.
That scared me. Simple the gas, lady.
So you're gonna drive it just like that, with your head down? Why don't you pretend like you're driving, Emily? Not like that.
Everybody that we've worked with has
Her
contributed
butt hurts.
to our
Does it?
how to be better musicians and better entertainers.
Can you guys see the fireman over there?
What?
You see the fireman?
No.
Hey, Beckett, we gotta go, buddy. We gotta get back.
Is this the fireman coming now? Look at the fireman! You guys are like brothers! Are you guys brothers? You guys gonna get changed now? One last time down the slide? Good looking fireman. I don't want any of that, guys.
I don't want to get in that.
Good job. Oh, here she comes, Abigail down the slide. Woohoo!
Oh, that's that. I'm gonna get down.
You gonna do it again? First time down the slide, if you could tell.